Hi, I'm Dave with AutoZone. Let's talk about AC and heating systems. Everyone knows what they are, but not many know how they work. How do they work? Heat and AC both enter the car the same way, through a duct in a high pressure area, usually near the front, routed off to get heated and cooled. Cooling. It's important to know it doesn't actually cool, but rather removes hot air or moisture.
Your vehicle's compressor, powered by the serpentine belt, adds pressure to the refrigerant and forces the liquid out of the compressor through the hoses in your AC assembly, which carry the refrigerant through the system. As the refrigerant travels through the cooling system, it changes from gas to liquid and back to gas again, cooling off and absorbing heat from the air passing through the evaporator fins. This leaves the cabin air cool while the warm refrigerant makes its way back to the compressor.
Why is my AC not working? Here's how you can diagnose the problems. Is your AC cool but not cold? Start with the AC compressor. Most problems can be caused by leaks. If you're still not sure, check these components: your AC compressor and clutch, your AC accumulator or dryer, your AC orifice tube or expansion valve, your AC condenser, or your AC evaporator core. Heating systems.
Air passes through a high-pressure duct in front of the vehicle and flows over a heater core, allowing for a heat exchange that cools the core while heating up air before it reaches the cabin interior.
Why is my heater not working? It could be low coolant, a bad blower, faulty thermostat, clogged or restricted heater core, maybe a stuck blend door or actuator. And for more information, be sure to like and subscribe.